Yo. Welcome to episode 24 of the Traders Reality Projections channel. You can imagine my voice is literally on its way out. I'm literally forcing myself to speak right now. I'm going to keep this short and sweet for you guys. But what do we know? Bitcoin, she came out of level 1. If you watched yesterday's video and last night's stream, we were discussing on what was the requirement that was needed for this move to play out and how price was holding specific zones and we needed to wait and make sure that the market maker's intention did favor higher prices. Now, if you pay attention, the fact that the W formation, has been locked. I've been waiting for this to happen, and it was only going to be confirmed on this level breakout. Now it has broken out at the 40k. So if you do recall, I'm talking about the 40k a lot because it's a key notable area. Market makers have shifted out of the zone. All right. The 200 EMA has hit exactly as we anticipated on Bitcoin. And we're now waiting for the M4 pivot zone to play out. All right. Now, we were talking yesterday on the stream and in this video about the key zones. Now, those zones were the psychological low. Okay. Now, you can see how the support from the psychological low has been confirmed. And then the psychological high, first instance, it came out, retraced back down. Second, it's come up again and it's shown support at that point. What we need to be aware of, though, is that now price has broken out. We are anticipating another retrace, because we took out yesterday's price action, which is the daily open right here. And this was today's open from the Asian session from last night. So it was operating in the negative from the previous day's session. Now it's moving away from that point and it's gone above this point here. All right. So we've got the New York session coming into play as well. Look left and you see how Bitcoin has recovered pretty much this liquidity pool right here, which is what we were anticipating. All right. So it's been a great day for anyone that may have placed any trades based on the move from this anticipated move to the upside. So I congratulate you if you did. Ethereum, same story. Ethereum's broken up from its 200 and that is a very good sign for us, and it's just moved straight away from it. If you recall last night, we're going to be talking about how the 50 is going to be marrying close to the 200. We said that because it is quite close, there's a good chance that it's going to break away from it. Most people were anticipating an M formation at this point, and this candle right here would have sucked the traders into believing that. All right, it recovered the green candle, so there was a justification for you to assume that. However, always wait for the candle to close whenever something important happens in the chart. All right, so now Ethereum is looking like it wants to take out the 800 EMA, which is the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. Look at this, very important zone, very. But look at this liquidity up here, guys. It's crazy. There's a lot of money for them to get back. All right. Now, a word of warning for you. Do not be buying in these points. You would have missed the opportunity to buy if you didn't buy on the breakout of this zone right here. Will there be another point to buy? Of course there will. That's on you guys to understand that. We're in rise level 1, retrace. Level 1 appears to be broken out. We need price to move a little bit more to solidify the breakout, because if it does pull back now, it would need to come back down to this point to show support. As long as it doesn't come down anywhere here, which it can do, because look, green candle right there, maybe a pull that they might want to take out again. All right. As long as it stays above this zone, our level is sound. XRP, same story. The XRP is trailing slowly. So that's good news for us. The 50 is now edging towards the 200. Happy days. All right. So looking at the future projections, you can see where they are on the charts, guys. All right. So please proceed with caution. Okay. Now, sorry if my voice has been croaky. I'm going to do my hardest to not be talking so much, but I had to do this video for you. So mad love and respect to all of you. To anybody that has subscribed, thank you very much. All right. And I will be releasing the Forex channel for you guys as well today. So we're doing a Forex projections channel, because when cryptocurrency decides to stay sideways for the best part of a year, you guys are going to need the same projections in Forex. All right. And guys, mad love to all of you. Take care of yourselves. Peace. Now,